Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Sure, may I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just one bag.
Please place your bag on the scanner.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. You may go ahead. Boarding has started. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Sure, please show me your passport and ticket.
Here they are.
Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please.
Done. Here's your boarding pass. Have a nice trip.
Please remove your laptop and liquids from the bag.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. You can pass now.
Thanks.
Flight 204 to New York is now boarding.
Here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.